Some people who rely on Richmond social services for food and health insurance say they're frustrated. They tell the problem solvers the department is struggling to process and deliver critical benefits. Our Tyler Lane has been reporting on challenges within social services for months. He joins us now with an update on how government officials are seeking answers. Tyler?
Well, Bill, if you recall, last week, the Virginia Department of Social Services said they had a specialized plan with Richmond Social Services that would address the locality's major backlog of cases. They said this plan goes beyond the type of support that the state offers to any other locality in Virginia. But no one has seen this plan yet, including State Delegate Adams, who represents Richmond.
What we were told was that there was some, private conversation where Richmond in particular was getting special treatment to get out of this hole, and yet there was no details provided. And I don't know of anybody who has those details, so it would be great if those were shared.
Now, for the past week, I've been asking Virginia Social Services and Richmond Social Services to provide a copy of the plan, but I have not gotten it yet. We do know that the state leaders met with the city after seeing our reporting, and we also know that the state has given Richmond additional staff support. This comes as Richmond is short-staffed and overwhelmed with cases and is failing to meet state and federal standards for the timely processing of SNAP and Medicaid applications. Now, City Councilman Mike Jones says this means families are being left hungry, and he says the council is being left in the dark because the administration has not been transparent about how these problems are being addressed.
We want the same answers that a lot of the citizens, a lot of our residents, a lot of the people that live in our district deserve and want and desire. But we should be able to have a conversation, council, administration, and community about where we are, where we're going, and give them some real solutions.
And this evening, I did hear back from Richmond Social Services about the plan. A spokesperson tells me the state is assisting with recruitment, training, and responding to client calls, and added, quote, planning is still underway as we explore what can be provided by the Virginia Department of Social Services and what is required to be administered locally based on Virginia laws. In the studio, I'm Tyler Lane, CBS 6 News.